The standard Triad wedge welder comes complete with a wedge size of your choice, material guides for the basic welding functions, cleaning and maintenance tools, instructional manual, and a 1-year manufacturer's warranty. The Triad hot wedge provides the heat to bond thermoplastic materials together. While traveling at a particular speed, the material coating comes in contact with the top and bottom of the wedge and then enters into the pressure rollers to complete the weld. All 3 parameters, heat, speed, and pressure, are adjustable to make for a clean, strong finish. The Triad can be used in a stationary or automatic self-propelled capacity. In the stationary mode, smaller pieces of material can run through the machine, providing a compact workplace and ease of operation. The machine stays in one place as the material passes through for welding. As a self-propelled machine, the material will stay in place while the Triad moves on a table or floor surface. The undercarriage roller swings underneath the base and makes contact with the lower pressure roller. The machine will travel at the precise welding speed and make for easy single-person operation. And the movement will start automatically when the wedge is engaged into the welding position. A variety of Triad hot wedge sizes are available. Our stock wedges range in size from 1/2 inch, 12 mm, to 2 inch, 51 mm. Specialty wedges are also available in several sizes and include our smaller hem wedges, a 3 inch, 76 mm wedge, and our split channel wedge for air pressure testing. The hot wedge is stored within the wedge housing to provide safety while setting up material and eliminates scorching or distortion. In addition, this wedge housing allows for material to pass within the welding area in various configurations for a variety of welding finishes. This patented feature is unique to the Triad wedge welder, as well as the exclusive self-centering position of the wedge while welding. The ability to adjust the positioning of the wedge vertically, horizontally, and on an angle provides for perfect alignment to be made for various types and thicknesses of materials. The guiding system on the Triad wedge welder, both in the front and in the rear, provides accuracy in your seam width and easy means to line up the material. Front guides are adjustable and pre-position the material as it enters into the S channel for welding. In addition, there is an adjustable top guide for alignment of the top sheet of material to the edge of the specific wedge size being used. This guide will stay on the machine for most all weld finishes. The standard Triad wedge welder includes the 3 basic welding guides: overlap, hem, and fin, which mount in the rear of the machine next to the welding area. The overlap guide positions the lower sheet and is adjusted for the lower sheet of material to match the particular wedge size being used. This creates the overlap of material between the pressure rollers. Removing the overlap guide will allow for the use of the hem guide for the production of hem-style welds. The formation of the hem will leave a minimum size open end to the folded over edge of material. This open end can be adjusted to make of any size pocket that may be required. The inner edge of the wedge housing can be used in conjunction with the hem guide to make for a specific pathway for the material to travel and further assure an accurate diameter pocket size. And with the removal of the hem guide, the fin guide can be installed to create an edge for the lower sheet of material to match the same edge as the top sheet, which is placed up against the top guide. The material is introduced into the Triad from one side, and the lower sheet then moves under the wedge housing and into the fin guide. The top sheet of material is placed up on the top guide, similar to the overlap weld style. From the standard Triad welder, there are a variety of welds which can be produced. The basic welds are the overlap weld, the hem weld, and the fin weld. From these basic welds, other weld finishes can be produced, including insert rope weld, tape weld, sleeve weld, large tube weld, a channel weld, and many more. By working with these standard guides and a little creativity, you may be able to develop new weld types. The Triad Wedge Welder is designed with a built-in feature to allow the machine to run in a tracked system. Wheel bearings on each side of the base provide a smooth movement along a rail edge. We offer a 5-foot track section with connector, which is perfect for placement on a table or floor surface. The track provides easy setup of the material into the Triad, and magnets can help hold the material in position before and during the welding process. The track assures a straight line drive for the machine, which helps for long distance welding. With the track sections laid out, the Triad wedge welding system is truly a one-person operation to set up and weld, even at long distances.